colder weather here and across the nation as well. Millions of Americans across the upper Midwest are under ice, winter, and blizzard warnings right now as a storm continues to move across the country. Parts of California saw 6 feet of snow in the Sierra Nevadas.
When we opened the garage door, there was about 5 feet of snow, so it was kind of like swimming out into the snow right out of the garage door.
That storm is expected to reach the northeast by the end of the week, which is still clearing up from a different weather system that dropped more than 9 inches of snow in parts while causing delays and cancellations of thousands of flights.